Hydrating Vanilla Bean Repair Conditioner. Smooth and repair curly hair. This 13 fluid-ounce bottle of Maui Moisture Smooth and Repair plus Vanilla Bean Anti-Frizz Curl Conditioner contains a hydrating formula that helps soften, smooth and defrizz unruly hair. Thick, coarse, natural hair care. Suitable for tight curls and coarse, natural hair. The Hydrating Repair Conditioner is safe for use on color-treated hair as it provides essential conditioning moisture to help tame frizz and detangle thick locks. Unique blend with aloe vera. The rich blend contains 100% aloe vera as the first ingredient along with vanilla bean, coconut oil and kukui nut oil, an ancient Hawaiian ingredient known for its humidity-resistant properties. Not all moisture is the same. The gentle and nourishing formula of this sulfate-free surfactant moisturizing conditioner is vegan, free from silicones, parabens and mineral oil and contains no synthetic dyes. Maui Moisture Smooth Repair plus Vanilla Bean Conditioner 13 ounces. Deeply quench, nourish and soften dry, damaged strands to get your hair back to looking healthy with these blends with creamy shea butter, rich coconut milk, and pure macadamia oil. With vanilla bean, coconut oil, kukui nut oil. A rich formula to help hydrate and smooth strands. Repairing conditioner for frizzy unruly hair. Silicone-free. Made with 100% aloe juice as first ingredient. Top reviews from the United States. Favorite. The smell is heavenly and my curly hair is loving this shampoo and conditioner.